Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taya here. I'm super excited to bring you guys this really easy and delicious recipe. We're gonna be making jerk chicken oven style. Grab your pots, grab your pans, and we're gonna get right into the video. So here I'm starting with my pimento seed or allspice seed. I go ahead and grind that till it's like a really nice round consistency. Then I add equal parts of browning and soy sauce, some lime juice, my scallions, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, thyme, some brown sugar, cloves, and the allspice I ground, and I just throw them all in there and blend them till I get a really nice smooth consistency. And we're just gonna set that aside. I've prepped my chicken here. I washed them, cleaned them, and cut them all nice, and they look beautiful. And we're just gonna go ahead and season it with some allspice, salt, some Creole seasoning, which I love, and some paprika, smoked paprika, not the regular paprika but smoked. It just gives you that delicious flavor to your meats. And I just used cloves. You don't have to. And here I went and added our marinade. We're just gonna get that into our chicken, really massage it and make them form that holy matrimony that we like talking about. We're just gonna have them become one. Yes. After doing this, we're gonna go ahead and set our chicken aside for about 2 hours to a day. You can do this overnight, preferably. I was in a crunch, so I did mine for 2 hours, which I really like doing overnight. To me, to get the best flavor, you have to do this overnight. But I did mine for 2 hours for the sake of this video, and also because it was an impromptu decision. So this was 2 hours later, and it looks like it's pretty delicious looking and ready to be set into the oven. I'm just here making sure that it's all like gets absorbed with the juices. Our oven was preheated at 400. We're just gonna add all our chicken to the pan and top it off with the remaining jerk sauce and just drizzle all that goodness onto that pan. And we're gonna go ahead and just pop these beautiful chickens into the oven. So they were in the oven for about 40 minutes. I brought them out to turn them over, and then we're gonna pop them back into the oven for another 20 minutes because they were just like almost there but not right there. So here is our jerk chicken, completely seasoned, completely cooked. They cooked for about an hour 10 minutes, and that's what we have. I served this jerk chicken with some jollof rice. I will definitely be bringing a recipe for my jollof rice, which I bake in the oven as well. It's super easy and super delicious. Thank you for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It helps out my channel, and it also lets me know what you guys like seeing.